Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a really quick look at some products from Peak Design. They make some really cool camera straps, but they don't just make camera straps. I really want to stress that point. Now, I was sent two products, which is the slide and the clutch. Now, the clutch is this one you can probably see here. Right here. And basically what this is it's kind of like a really light camera strap that you can just throw in your hand and you're kind of away. Quickly running through it, I mean, you can check out the rest of the pictures which kind of show it a bit better than this video. I really like the clutch. So the clutch is great for those situations when you don't really want a bulky camera strap, you just kind of want to throw one on, you want to go out and take some pictures. It's light, it's really easy to use, but it gives you a really secure grip. Now, the thing with all the Peak Design products is, as you can see at the bottom here, we have this kind of, it's like an Allen key mount, it's like a tripod mount, I suppose you could say. But all of these clip on and off. Really easy, just slide them like that. So if I wanted to, I could actually use different straps, swap them around really quickly. It's not a big deal. It's not a huge amount of setup time like some where you have to connect all the straps and you know you're there for hours. So that's the first kind of point I wanted to go across, that I really like that. I mean, bear in mind these are quite pricey products, so they should be perfect. These aren't £5-6 quid camera straps. They start at about £25-30. So, but that's how easy it is to take off. And we have our DSLR back with no kind of strap on it, and straps off. The next product I actually wanted to show you was the sliding camera strap. Now, I got quite a few products, so I've kind of just thrown all my stuff in a bag. These are actually GoPro mounts, but all of their products revolve around these little things here. If you can see that. Now, what these do, if I can just quickly show you, if you look very closely on the attachments, these basically slide in here, pop in, and then you're good to go, and you can swap out your camera. So in the case of this camera, if I wanted to run the sliding camera strap, which is, it's a very heavy camera strap, I'll say that much. It's a lot bigger than a clutch, obviously, but to attach them you simply do that. And I've got two in my little handy carry case, because I've actually been using the Peak Design products since I got them before Christmas. So obviously, as you can imagine, running around taking pictures of stuff at Christmas, or Christmas dinners, etc. It's been a nice variety of products. Now the slide is this bad boy here, which has a very stiff part to the strap. It's better to show you this. So as you can see, we've got this very flat surface which has one gripped side, and then the other two bits are very much normal strap material. And the way this is supposed to work is you can throw it around your kind of chest down to your hip. Just realised I've already got one of those on, so I can slide this off. And with this camera strap, rather, I'm not going to do this properly, but we can mount it at an angle so that when we're wearing it, it sits kind of to our side like this, so facing down. Or if we wanted to use it around our neck like a normal camera strap, you want the camera to be level, then you simply attach the other clip around the top like so. Really cool camera strap. Now, those are the two kind of basic camera straps that if you're a photographer you're going to want to have them. Clutch is great for those quick situations where you need to grab a shot. The sliding strap is so comfortable. When you wear it with the second hook attached to the bottom of the camera, you can really slide it around. I mean, I really like some of my camera straps, like the Sailor straps. but they're not very functional for if you're carrying around a DSLR with a massive lens on it, maybe flash. It just doesn't work. But we're not done there. No. Now, Peak Design also sent me 2 of these bad boys. Admittedly, one was for a GoPro, so you got to remember that. Let me get these in the shot. So, these are basically little clips. And what you can do with them, wow. I hope everyone remembers me showing them the clutch strap, and what that had on the bottom of it is one of these. So what we can do is, say we have a clutch strap and we want to attach that camera somewhere when we're not using it, we can use one of these. And these basically, I think that is the right side. These are basically kind of like climbing hooks. You see how they come apart? And in between that space there's enough space to, say, put it on a camera strap and then clamp it down. Obviously you have to adjust how tight it is, pop it down, and then once your product is, you know, secure, you can also adjust the tightness, and then you simply push down on the button to release it. It's really that simple, and these are fantastic. I was also sent some of their GoPro accessories. Those all work really well. But you know, the big point behind these products that I feel isn't one product on their own. I mean, the clutch strap, really good. The sliding cam strap, really good. But when you combine all of these products, I think that is where Peak Design really start to shine. They're all about modularity, they're all about synergy, they're all about connecting you to the camera. And I think that is priceless. Obviously these are quite expensive products. I mean, I don't even want to dread to think how much this costs. Now I know how much it costs. It's around £150 for everything I have in this picture. But when you're rocking a 2 DSLR setup and you want access to all your equipment, you know, this is perfect. With these, I love them. They make it really accessible to attach cameras, whatever you want to put on them, to places that I never thought I'd actually consider normal. For instance, you could have one on either side of your straps on a backpack, so that you can have 2 cameras mounted to your chest and you can just pop them off and you're good to go. Now I did do some running and I did some bike riding and stuff whilst these straps were carrying one of my cameras, just to see if they did work and, you know, how good the mechanism is, and they're fantastic. I really couldn't fault it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out all the links below to the products and to check out their website and stuff. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Obviously it's been a long time since I've done a video. I hope it was okay. Really stoked about Peak Design. I mean, they're a company that I guess I've wanted to check out for a while. Obviously I'm very grateful to be working with them, because I definitely couldn't have afforded everything in this picture right off the bat. I think that they're kind of aiming at the enthusiast, not so much the consumer, which is fine in my opinion. But if you're a bit strapped for cash, I would just recommend maybe sticking to what you got. And if you were going to buy something, I'd buy the slide camera strap. It's fantastic, really comfortable, and it's really good quality. If you could afford everything in this video, then I would probably go for it, yeah. I'd say the only thing I probably wouldn't use that often is the clutch strap, because I actually really like the slide camera strap. More so because usually my type of shooting isn't the place where I can't wear a big strap. Obviously a clutch strap's really good for stuff like events and, you know, places where you need to be nimble, but I don't need to be nimble when I'm taking a landscape photo, for instance. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and I'll see you soon, I guess.